Canva has different mockups that are free as well as paid. If you select apps from your homepage, you will have access to mockups. And we have product photos that you could use, but this video is all about mockups. So you're going to select mockups. There's more than 8,000 mockups that you could use for your designs. There's technology mockups, print mockups, packaging mockups, clothing or apparel mockups, and home living mockups. So you could pick any of these mockups to use for your design. All you do, for example, say we want mugs and we want to portray our work on mugs, then you would select mugs, the category, and then you're going to get ceramic mugs, enamel mugs, and glass mugs. It depends on which one you would like to showcase your work. And then you scroll down and you pick, depending if you're using free account, which doesn't have account, or if you want to use the pro account, then you could pick one of the mockups there. I'm going to use the free mockup so that you can see that it works either or. Whether you're picking a free or a paid account, it works the same. And when you want to check and see the terms of use, you're always welcome to click on the information or the eye, and you can view the terms and policies according to what Canva allows and what they don't allow with their mockups. Once it's open, you're going to click on select, and then you have an option to upload your own image or use a design that you've created already on Canva. So it depends on which one you want to use. If you were designing on Canva, it just makes sense for you to select designs and then go pick the design from there and then add it to the mockup. If you want to upload an image, you're going to click on upload, and then you're going to select the image wherever you've saved it on your phone or your computer, and you pick the image and you click on open. It gets uploaded on Canva. Then you would pick the image you want to use. The select option becomes available. You click on it, and then the software starts uploading it to the cup. And it looks like that. If you don't like the way it looks, you can always delete. If you want to adjust the image, you just click on adjust. If you want to make it nice and big, you just adjust and you make it big. Make sure that it fits the canvas. And then you click on save. It gets adjusted and you save the mockup. Some mockups allow you to adjust the color as well and not only the sizing. So mockups like t-shirts, you add your image or you add your design, and then you do your adjustments the way that you want. And once that's done, the option of color is available. You're happy with the design, but you don't want a white t-shirt. You want a black t-shirt or a red t-shirt. You then change the color. You can use the hex code if you want, and then you adjust the t-shirt color. And voila. And the last thing would be you deciding to use it in a design, or if you would like to download it and use it for your client or etc. I'll see you in the next lesson.